You're probably watching this video because you're looking for the fastest and easiest way to obtain money to grow your business. Maybe you've tried to get financing at your bank and been denied. Maybe you don't even want to bother trying to apply because you know you'll be denied. Or maybe you've been able to obtain financing, but it's not at the rates and terms that you desire. Well, through this solution called the Business Finance Suite, you're able to do two very important things. First, you're able to build business credit for your EIN number that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. This makes it easier for you to obtain loans and credit lines at the best terms, and it also helps you access money through business credit building that you can get even when you can't qualify for financing at your bank. The Finance Suite also helps you with all aspects of getting loans and credit lines to grow your business. So in this video, we're going to take a walk through both of these processes, how easy it is for you to obtain all types of loans and credit lines even when you can't qualify for money at your bank, and how easy it is to build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. Through your Business Credit Builder, you have 7 steps that you can follow to actually come through and build your business credit. Now, as you can see, the steps are very easy to navigate. Your entire experience is customized to you. So if you have your business name, you simply select yes, enter the business name, and move on. But if you were to enter no, well, then we expose you to options like letting you search your Secretary of States to see if the Secretary of State records to see if the business name you desire is available. Or you can come in and make sure that the business name you're choosing doesn't put you in a high-risk category. You can also come down here and play short videos in every step to get a little bit of training overview of what you're accomplishing in each step. And you can also navigate the Finance Suite in English and in Spanish. So by clicking Spanish, you're able to convert your entire experience over to Spanish. You can also even come in and choose closed caption on all videos, so you can have a text overlay in Spanish as well. This helps you navigate the Finance Suite in your native language, whether it's English or whether it's Spanish. So as you navigate through the steps of the Finance Suite, you're able to come through and build your business credit, and also in step 1, set up a lendable business credit foundation. So the important thing to know is whenever you apply for a loan or a credit line, all lenders have a secret set of standards that you must meet to get approved. If you meet these standards, you'll get automated approvals in many cases, and if you don't meet the standards, you'll oftentimes get denied. Well, unfortunately, your attorney, your banker, your accountant, nobody has ever revealed what these standards are. So usually when you're trying to submit an application for a loan or credit line, you're crossing your fingers and just hoping you get approved. Well, in step 1, we're actually helping you understand and meet these criteria so you can come through and have the best chance of getting approved for loans, credit lines, and business credit accounts. So we help you with all aspects of setting up your business credibly by getting your business name set up, setting up your entity, getting your EIN number set up. We talk to you about necessary business license requirements, bank account requirements, merchant account requirements. We even help you come in and do an address check and make sure that your address meets all qualifications as well. There's 4 individual checks that lenders and credit issuers do to make sure that your business address is in compliance with what their requirements are. We help you through this process to make sure you meet those requirements so you'll know you can get approved before you even apply. Now, you can accomplish this as you're navigating through the steps of the Finance Suite, and you're also working with business advisors that will help you through this process as well. The business advisors will actually hold your hand and provide concierge service as you're navigating through the steps to building your business credit. This helps you avoid potential pitfalls that can cost you months worth of time, and it will also help you get the fastest results and have somebody in your corner if you get stuck to make sure you can break down barriers and quickly get results. Now, the advisors will reach out to you 5 times in the first 5 days after you enroll. They'll spend 30, 60 minutes on each call if you'd like them to with you, or just briefly answer questions you have. They'll reach out to you regularly after that to help coach you through the program. They're also available through phone, through email, and by clicking chat here at the bottom to make it easily accessible for you to get access to your business advising team. Now, through the Finance Suite, we help you through all aspects of setting up your business credibly, from setting up your website and email address, all the way to making sure your phone meets the requirements. So, for example, a lot of people don't realize that a P.O. box or a UPS address will get you denied for credit and loans. A lot of people don't realize that you must have a phone number, a toll-free number, a fax number, and your phone number needs to be listed with 411. And if you don't meet those requirements, those are the type of reasons that you get denied for loans, credit lines, and credit cards. Well, so in step 1, we're helping you navigate this process, understand exactly what lenders and credit issuers are looking for so you can meet those requirements and come in and know you can get approved before you even submit an application. Once we set up your business credibly, the next step is we actually help you get set up with all three reporting agencies. Experian and Equifax, for example, will actually populate business credit reports and give you failing business credit scores, even if you have no credit reporting with them. So in step 2, we help you do a free search to see what the reporting agencies know about you now. We also help you get set up with Dun & Bradstreet and get your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet as well. Now, Dun & Bradstreet will charge you upwards of $1,500 to $2,000 just to get your DUNS number and activate your credit profile. But here through the Finance Suite, we're helping you get your DUNS number at no cost. And in step 3, we actually help you get accounts that will activate your credit profile with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian so you don't have to pay this cost. Now, in step 3, we actually help you start building business credit. And we do this by exposing you to vendors that will give you credit even if you have none, and that report this credit to the business credit reporting agencies. Now, the Finance Suite has the largest selection of vendor accounts anywhere, including exclusive vendors. These are vendors you won't find online training videos about, you won't find information in forums about. These are vendors that we've helped work with one-on-one to give them the ability to report to the reporting agencies, and they're only available through the Finance Suite. Now, other sources like Quill are commonly available, but a lot of people get denied because they don't understand the actual underwriting guidelines for each source. So every source in the Finance Suite, we do a few very unique things. One, we tell you the reporting agencies the accounts report to. This is very important because in order to progress through the steps of getting very high limit business credit accounts, I mean, we're talking about accounts with $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 limits that don't require personal guarantees for approval, that don't require personal credit checks for approval. You need to have a certain amount of accounts to reporting on your business reports to navigate through each tier of credit. Well, by knowing which accounts which reporting agencies the accounts report to becomes very important because the reporting of an account to more than one reporting agency counts as more than one trade line. So, for example, if you're looking at a source that reports to D&B and Experian, that can actually count as 2 trade lines, and by knowing that information, it makes it faster for you to build your business credit. There's also all kinds of information you should know. So, for example, Quill can take up to 90 days to report your initial account. You must spend $50 with them to actually have an account reported. If you don't know this information, you could wait 30 days, wait 60 days, not find the account reporting, contact Quill. They tell you it takes 90 days. You could wait another month only to find out that you didn't spend the $50 that's necessary to do so, and you just wasted 3 months worth of time. Well, the Finance Suite makes sure that this doesn't happen by doing several checks to make sure that you meet their requirements before you apply. One, we help you in step 1 meet those credibility requirements so you'll know you meet lender and credit issuer approval standards so you can get approved before you actually apply. Or you know you'll get approved before you apply. Second, we actually in color list all the sources that you can get qualified for right now, and we actually gray out all the ones you can't. And we also list the underwriting guidelines, the actual underwriting guidelines for each source, so you'll know you can meet those requirements before you submit an application. We actually have a data team that goes through on a regular basis and establishes relationships with all these accounts, whether it be vendors or accounts like Staples, Office Depot, Home Depot, Lowe's, so we know what their underwriting requirements are in real time. So this way, you're only applying for accounts you know you can get approved for. You can apply in one click, and we give you all the information you need to know that you can make sure that you get approved. So after you access the largest source of vendor accounts, then you get 5 initial accounts, then we help you start monitoring your business credit reports. So in step 3, we'll get you 5 initial accounts that will establish initial business credit score, and that alone will instantly start helping you to obtain loans and credit lines. But we also continue to help you monitor your business credit reports. So a lot of people don't realize that business credit reports have numerous scores on them. They're very different than consumer credit reports. So for example, with commercial credit reports, anybody can actually see your reports and scores. They don't need your permission to do so. With commercial credit reports, you'll actually find that there's more than one score on them. You can even see as many as 5 credit scores on your commercial credit reports. You'll see creditor categories instead of credit issuer actual names. So you won't see Staples, you'll see a category of office supplies, for example. There's so many differences from commercial credit reports than there are with consumer. And in this step, we help teach you how to read your Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian reports and how your scores work so you can quickly maximize your scores to get even faster results. Now, you also are going to want to set up credit monitoring with the reporting agencies because, as I mentioned, in order to progress through the steps of building business credit, you need to know how many accounts are on your business credit reports. Dun & Bradstreet will charge you $159 a month to get access to your credit reports. Experian is about $50 a month. Equifax is about $20 a month. Well, as you build business credit, you primarily want access to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. And the Finance Suite has the absolute most affordable way to actually access your business credit reports by clicking on Credit Monitoring or coming over to Build My Business and going to your report dashboard. Once we click here, you'll have instant access to your business credit reports. Now, these are available through our NAV integration, and the great news is instead of spending $200 a month to monitor your Dun & Bradstreet and Experian reports, through the Finance Suite, you can access those reports for only $24 a month. This is the most affordable way that exists today to access your business credit reports. And as you can see, you get all the information about your actual credit score. You're able to come in and learn all about the accounts that you have reporting, the public filings you have on your business credit report. You're even able to get alerts when things on your business credit reports change. So you're able to get all of your report details. You're able to get overviews. You're able to look at your actual accounts that are reporting on your credit report. So you can see your trade accounts. You can see summary information of all your accounts as you progress as well. You're also able to come in and get all this information about your Dun & Bradstreet report. You're able to find out about your business information, your summary data, public records, loans that you may have. You're also able to come in and actually access all the accounts on your Dun & Bradstreet reports. So you're able to see all the accounts you have, the high amount that you've used, the balances that you owe. You're able to see the same thing that lenders see, even public filings that are on your Dun & Bradstreet and your Experian commercial credit reports. So by getting able to access your commercial credit reports, you're saving about $2,200 a year through the Finance Suite for money that you don't have to pay, because for $24 a month, you're able to access those Experian and D&B reports. Now, once you access your reports and you're able to see those accounts that we got you approved for in step 3 on your credit report, then in step 5, you're able to continue building more and more business credit. Now, most major retail stores, most retailers offer corporate credit. Amazon, HD Supply, Staples, AutoZone. They all offer credit without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. And the Finance Suite has the largest supply of these sources that will help you access credit. Again, each one shows where the actual credit issuers report to. And we also give you all the underwriting guidelines for each specific source, so you'll know you can get approved before you even apply. You're even able to find the backlinks to apply by clicking the apply button. And again, if you get stuck anywhere along the way, our actual advising team will work with you to get you unstuck, so that way you can quickly move forward and start getting results. So you can see that almost any type of credit that you want access to, whether it be gas cards, whether it be fleet credit cards, whether it be cards at places like Lowe's and Home Depot or Walmart or Amazon, whether you're looking for credit at places like Sears or Chevron or BP or Speedway or Conoco, or on and on and on, you're able to actually access through the Finance Suite. We'll tell you how many accounts you need reporting on your credit reports to get those. We'll give you the underwriting guidelines, tell you where each account reports, making it easy to access the cash that you need. Now, as you progress here into step 6 and 7, you're able to get fleet credit. Fleet credit gives you the ability to actually get fuel paid for, auto vehicle repairs, auto maintenance. You're able to actually come in and get auto vehicle financing through multiple sources. This is actual loans in your business name that don't require personal guarantees or personal credit checks. You're able to get credit for computers at places like Dell and Apple. You're able to get MasterCards. You're even able to access Visa cards, MasterCards, cash credit cards that you can use anywhere. You're able to get credit at places like Sam's Club and Costco. Again, most major retailers offer corporate credit without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check, and the Finance Suite makes it very easy for you to access all of that type of credit. You're even able to get loans through places like PayPal and other loans that you might not know about, places like Fundbox that can issue you credit lines. You're able to get financing or be able to get business credit to obtain phones through places like T-Mobile and Sprint and AT&T, and computers through Apple, and credit cards through Best Buy. And a lot of these limits are as high as $40,000 or even higher. So, for example, it's very common for our clients to see approvals at Best Buy for $30,000 or $40,000 for individual limit accounts. We have clients that have obtained $75,000 in individual stores, and even up to $100,000 and higher actual credit lines and credit cards without personal guarantees and without personal credit check. And it's all accessible by navigating through these steps in the Finance Suite. You can see it's easy to do, and working with our advisors, we help you avoid getting stuck to give you the fastest results. Now, you'll be able to get vendor credit right away as you start building business credit. That credit will take 30 to 60 days to report. Then you're able to jump into the round tier 2 tier of credit that we actually looked at. To get all the way through the business credit building process will only take you about 4 to 6 months. And when you're at this point where you have 14 or trade lines or more reporting, then you have the ability to really start making it easier for you to access loans and credit lines, as well as be able to get most kinds of revolving accounts without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. Now, the Finance Suite also helps you with all aspects of getting financing as well. The truth is there's a lot of money out there for small businesses, but most business owners don't know where to go to get it. Well, the Finance Suite solves that problem by bringing every legitimate funding program that exists into one platform. And we do so through thousands of different lenders. So through the Finance Suite, you're working with your own team of finance officers that will actually help you come in, develop a finance blueprint of all the money you can qualify for right now. We then also develop a long-term finance blueprint to teach you things that you can do right now to be in a position to get even more money in the near future. Now, you can access all different types of financing in the Finance Suite based on the strength of your business. So, for example, if the strength of your business is that you have consistent revenue, well, then you're able to qualify for revenue financing, for private equity financing, and for a multitude of different term loans and credit lines. The Finance Suite will actually pre-approve you for these options. Your finance officer will help you understand the rates, the terms, everything you need to know. There's video training on each program. You're even able to get all the specifics like qualification criteria and terms as well. We even have revenue lenders that won't even look at your credit. We have credit lines that won't even do credit pulls for approval. Maybe your strength is that you have some kind of collateral. Maybe you have account receivables where people owe you money. Maybe you have purchase orders where you're trying to fulfill purchase orders and need the money to do so. Maybe you have 401k or stocks, or maybe you have commercial real estate now or auto vehicle financing. Maybe you're looking to get in and flip residential real estate. Maybe you have a book of business if you're an insurance agent, or you own equipment or inventory now. All of these open up individual financing options for you to get interest rates as low as 5% and less and be able to get money for your business. And if you have some kind of asset or collateral, well, you're able to qualify for financing regardless of your cash flow and regardless of your personal credit quality. You can even get money to be able to come in and buy equipment that you may need or buy the inventory you may need, for example. If you have a 401k, stocks, bonds, securities, you can get credit lines with 5% interest rates and less. So all these different types of financing are available to make it easy for you to actually get access to money to grow. Let's say that your strength is that you have good personal credit, or maybe you have a guarantor that you work with, a family member, a friend, a colleague, somebody that wants to invest in your business that has good personal credit. Well, then you can get up to $150,000 in unsecured credit lines with even a 680 credit score. These report to the Business Credit Reporting Agency, so they'll help you build your business credit. And you can take almost all the cash out on these accounts as well, actually giving you the ability to use them as credit lines and still get 0% interest rates for 6 to 18 months to make it very affordable for you to have low monthly payments. So whether you're looking for term loans, whether you're looking for credit lines, whether you're looking for long-term loans, SBA loans, all of this financing is available in one place. So by completing the steps of the Finance Suite, we're able to quickly pre-approve you for all different kinds of loans and credit lines, and then work with our finance team who will help you through the entire process of they work directly with the lender. They work to find the right lender for you, place your loan, negotiate the rates and terms, go through everything with you. And in a lot of cases, you can even qualify for multiple funding products at the same time. These are things you can't do at a bank because a bank usually only offers 1 or 2 different types of financing. But because the Finance Suite gives you access to every legitimate type of funding in one place, whenever you need money, all you have to do is get in touch with your finance officer by phone, by email. They'll be following up with you regularly as well, or even clicking chat and engaging with us. And in doing so, will help develop the blueprint of all the money you can get now, the plan of getting you even more money in the future, and helping you access term loans, lines of credit, and all different kind of financing, even with interest rates as low as 0.5% for every week that the money is outstanding. So the Finance Suite really combines 2 of the most important ways to help you access capital. 1, business credit building, helping you with all aspects of getting high limit revolving accounts that are linked to your business EIN and not your personal Social Security number. And at the exact same time, we're also helping you with all aspects of getting access to business capital. Now, another cool feature of the Finance Suite is that at any given time, you can also actually check the value of your business. So if you want to know how much your business is worth, you can use this feature through our partner BizEquity to know exactly how much your business is worth. By entering some basic information, you'll be able to pull up an idea of the value of your business, and you're able to look at this anytime that you actually want to know exactly how much your business is worth. All you have to do is enter a little bit of information, and you'll start to see the value of your business populate in real time. So as you enter information about your income, your assets, your liabilities, you're able to actually in real time see exactly how much your business is worth. So this way, as you continue to grow your business, you're able to see exactly what your business would be worth if you were to turn around and sell it today. So the Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today. It gives you everything you need to successfully access capital to grow your business. You could build credit for your business EIN that's not linked to your personal social. This is credit where you're able to get $10, $20, $30, $40,000 individual credit limits or higher without a personal guarantee, without a personal credit check, regardless of revenue and collateral. This helps make you more lendable and also helps you access capital even when you can't qualify for bank loans. You're also able to come in and get financing through the Finance My Business section of the Finance Suite. This actually ties in with thousands of different lenders and every legitimate kind of funding program that's out there, so you have access to the most amount of money and being able to get it at the absolute best terms. And at any given time as your business grows, because it will when you have access to capital, typically so, then you're able to come in and see the valuation of your business in real time to see how much your business is worth without paying thousands of dollars like valuations typically cost. So if you're looking for the easiest and fastest way to get money for your business, the Finance Suite is definitely your answer. So make sure you connect with the representative that gave you access to this special link to watch this video to talk a little bit more about getting access to your own Finance Suite for your business so you could build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social, as well as accessing all different types of capital through business loans and credit lines.